Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we are going to discuss Ripple's XRP, and the other top altcoin that we are going to discuss is Ethereum. Both of them have been ripping to the upside more recently, and I think it really demands us to have a look at the price action and then see where are those buy and sell opportunities. So as always, it is important for me to go through this slide of disclaimers and risk warnings. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, which can be downloaded from any brokerage site such as AvaTrade. Now, what we're going to do, folks, I'm going to bring the XRP first of all right here. Look at that surge on the daily time frame. This is your daily time frame right over here. You can see that this particular derivative or crypto coin has been started to rip since 21st. Look at their move. On this particular day, the low was 0.32 and the high was 0.46. So that is an incredible price move happened on the 21st. And then on the 22nd, we had another high right over here. The price formed another high. And at the same time, the price did close below the previous close. So that's why it became negative. But then following on to that, the price closed in a positive territory. And we've seen another massive blow to the upside where the price formed a low of 43 and a high of 0.61. Sorry, low of 0.43 to the high of 0.6170. And now today we are seeing that momentum continuing to the upside, and today the price has already formed a high of 0.780. So this is quite an incredible move on the 4-hour time frame. Once again, you can see that Ripple's XRP is certainly exploding. Now, where are those moving averages? Where, if there, and more importantly, if there is an opportunity over here. Now, first of all, the three different moving averages that we have on the chart. This is your 50-day simple moving average, followed by that over here is in orange your 100-day, and this is your 200-day moving average. There is no doubt that the price has gone well away from its moving averages, and that means a retracement is due. At the same time, folks, what is also due in terms of a Ripple's XRP price is a retracement with respect to the RSI, because the RSI, anything which is above than 70 right over here, represents an overbought area. Now the RSI shows that it has gone into an extreme zone, that 100 level the price has touched, which, by the way, we have not seen in a very long time. Now, obviously, this means that this particular price action that we have it right over here, the prices can potentially start to move lower, because we already have this first retracement from this high. Now that the price can continue to form this retracement like this and then continue to retrace until it comes into this level of support. This level of support is right here where the price could be between 0.62 to all the way to 0.58. So that can potentially happen, and what that will do with respect to the RSI, it should bring the RSI line from its current oversold area to at least somewhere below 70, or even perhaps further below that, or at least we should come somewhere near 70, not in an extreme zone, because right now if we look at the RSI, it is pretty much trading near the 100 level. So that really says to us that, look, this particular price action is very likely to follow this sort of a price action, and really the minimum sort of a, you know, the the support that we are looking at, it could be just right in around this price level, just below 0.62. And by the way, we are not too far, because this particular candle has already formed. Now we are on the way to forming the second bearish candle, and then perhaps the third bearish candle, and then before we know it, it'd be, the retracement would be done. And then now, similarly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out the Ethereum trade over here as well. A similar price action is obviously happening over here. The price is literally ripping to the upside. Today it is trading at 615. Of course, the all-time high was that level of 1900. In fact, I think that the price actually went well above 960. The all-time high right over here doesn't really show you the actual price, but it is actually much above than that. That is about 1200, but obviously over here we don't have the full history of the price, but it was certainly well above this price level. But right now the price is literally once again ripping to the upside. It is moving to the upside, and that means that we could potentially see some sort of a retracement coming into these price levels as well. So this shows that first of all, we are right here in this particular resistance zone. If the price breaks out of this one, then the next potential resistance zone is going to be between 833 price level, just between 800 to 833. So if this is the area where the price is trading right now, which is your resistance level number 1, and this over here, my friend, is your resistance level number 2. And after this, what the price can do, if it continues its momentum to the upside, we could see the prices surging further, and then the price can go into its resistance level number 3. So we have really 3 different areas in terms of that price. Now, if you are looking for the price to see some sort of a retracement, to see where we can really go into the buy levels, then where we are really looking is for the prices to come somewhere at least close to these sort of price levels, which are just around over here. The 549 perhaps could be your immediate support. All right, that's all for today. See you guys next time.